Hi everyone. So in this video, I will show you how you can transform data in Power BI, which is one of the most critical steps that will help you clean, reshape, and prepare data. In order to do that, you have to access Power Query. And to access Power Query, you will go here and click on Transform Data. Now our Power Query editor is open and we can start with the basics. For example, if you want to change the column name, you can do it here. We can name this project ID with the space and it will save that. It's always best practice to uh, add names to your applied steps so that you know which step that you worked on. We will rename this to renamed project ID. You can also remove or add columns. Now in this table, you see there are a lot of columns that are extra. So we will select all the columns that we need. Go to the right. Location. Now we have all the columns that we need. We will go on remove columns and we can simply click on remove other columns. Now all our extra columns have been removed. Similarly, you can filter the data for any of your columns through filters or you can sort also. You can split columns. For example, if you want to split column based on any reference, for example, the number of characters by position, uppercase, lowercase, you can do it from here. You can remove duplicates by right clicking any column and selecting remove duplicate columns. You can also sort like we have discussed before. You can add new columns from here and you can add DAX formula to them. You can find and replace. For example, let's do it somewhere here. I will select status and I will click on replace values and we will replace completed with done. Now you can see that they have been replaced. And once you're done with your transformation, you simply go here and click close and apply, and it will complete the transformation. I hope you liked the video. Keep watching for more. Thank you.